This is the Clear Monohuman hair topper, and it's in G1B black color, and it's 20 inches long. Now if we have a look at the topper inside, it's like every single topper that I had before and I used before, and obviously you've got your mesh in the middle, so it sits really well on your head. And you also have 4 clips over here, and as you can see, they're curved, so they're curved within your head as well, the head shape as well. So the hair they go very well together, but because it's the mesh, you don't really see it, the scalp or anything, or it's just a little bit, so it looks really natural as well. And now the only thing you need to do is just basically put it on with your own hair. And what you want to do, and I'm just going to use a mirror over here right in front of me, and you want to put it as close as you can with your hairline, and you're gonna close the clips that you have unclipped. And what you want to do is grab some of your own hair as well if you can, so it doesn't move. So that's the 4 over there. So now that we have our topper on, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to brush it slightly. So again, what you want to do is you want to grab your head and press firmly just on top of the topper, and then brush it out, just like that. So what happened with this topper, it was 20 inches long, and my hair was actually quite shorter, or slightly shorter to the topper. So I've taken it to my hairdresser, and because it's real human hair, it was really easy to handle. So what I've done is take it to the hairdresser. She did style my hair before that to the same style as the topper. I put the topper on, and then she did the cut. She cut some of the fringe out to the length that I wanted to have, and she got some of the hair, so as you can see, it blends absolutely perfectly with my own hair. So there it is, guys. That's it. That is the topper. The style is absolutely amazing. The color really does blend in with my own hair, and it just makes me feel like I've got so much more hair. As always, the quality is so high, it's so good, it's so comfortable as well to wear. You don't see when you put it on, and maybe you have it on for like an hour, you can't remember you have your topper on, because it looks so natural, it looks so comfortable. It is so comfortable as well. So it's absolutely amazing. So highly recommend it. Again, thank you so much, UniWigs, for giving the opportunity to show everybody how these amazing pieces look like.